ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಇನ್ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್, ಇವನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಹಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಮನಿ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೋ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ವಾಪಸ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ.
Milords, I am for respondent number 2, Milords. Owner of the flats, purchaser of the flats, Your Honor. Milords, I request for some time to file my rejoinder, since there is an agreement which was been taken place between the parties.
What agreement?
For the cancellation of the for sale agreement which have been taken place, which have given rise for this.
How will it amount to crime?
31 lakhs was the sale consideration amount, my lords.
ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, my lords.
crime,
they have given separate flats, my lords. But those are also under litigation, my lords. I'll furnish those documents before my lords.
Nothing of what you are saying would amount to 420.
My lords, because there was an earlier sale agreement happened with some different purchaser, my lords. Thereafter, the builder, knowing fully well, he has sold it to me, my lords. I'm a subsequent purchaser.
Petitioner is a builder?
Yes, my lords.
Yes, sir. Date sale. And first agreement of sale yarige?
First agreement in 2019.
Date and to whom?
19/10/2019 to Murli Krishna.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
25/2/2021.
What is the consideration taken?
20 lakhs, my lord.
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs out of 31. 11 lakhs was the pending amount. But with regard to the previous agreement, there was some PIMs that were filed. Litigation was going on, my lord.
Why did you sell it to him?
The previous one, there was an understanding for cancellation. I'll have to procure those documents.
No, sir. 3 years admele don't tell me all this story.
No, with regard to Murli Krishna, PIM was filed, and that litigation.
PIM may have been registered. That's a different thing. When the agreement of sale was in subsistence, how did you sell it to this man?
With regard to that, I'll just.
No regard to that. I will confirm the crime now.
No, I'll just verify.
These builders who are hoodwinking innocent people by selling the flat to one, later on selling the flat to the other, what should happen to them?
There was one.
You are taking everybody for a ride. Agreement ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಇನ್ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಲ್, ಇವನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಡೀಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಹಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಮನಿ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Murli Krishna criminal petition was filed that also came to be settled, my lord. That judgment number I'm not procuring.
Whatever you want to pay him the entire amount, I will permit.
But
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
20 ಲಕ್ಷ, my lords. 2 petitions ಇದೆ. Another petition also 20 lakhs.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ 20 ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರಾ? ಈಗ 40 ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I'll get those other documents.
Otherwise I'll send it to trial. ಇದೇ ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. All builders are indulging in this. What should happen to those people who victim ಗೆ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Ali, they had their own understanding, my lord.
What you had understanding with him? With him?
Please, my lord. As investors,
how do you enter into two sale agreements?
No, my lord. There was one warehouse that was there in as a security. This was given. There was an oral understanding for which this.
Oral understanding. That's all right, sir.
I'll provide those documents.
We will give a written order now.
Yes, sir. I'll provide those documents for this 6119. 6107 is a different footing altogether, my lord.
Which is the 6119. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Accused number 1 is 6119. Accused number 3 is the wife in 6107. But
you have received the money, sir?
No, with regard to the
have
wife,
you or not?
The money has been received, Lord, but
if return the money.
I will produce those documents.
Nothing doing. You return the money.
I'll convince this court. Just a
for
short
what, sir?
On how this is not a criminal transaction.
No, sir. I will observe that you hoodwinked him by entering into sale agreement first and entering into sale agreement second time. Nothing.
I'll also verify the
no verification. ವಾಪಸ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ?
If Murli Krishna is cancelled, my lord, this petition will not stand. I will just verify that one because Murli Krishna came to be settled by this court, my lord.
Settled for what, sir? Cancellation?
No, criminal petition came to be settled on the ground of cancellation of the sale agreement.
Then give the property to him.
Please, I'll just verify on that.
Give the property to him if that is cancelled. If that is not cancelled, give the money back to him.
Please, I'll look into
that. You builders can't, the investors cannot chase you around. ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
Criminal petition 6107 is a different footing, my lord.
What is it in difference adರಲ್ಲಿ?
It is the wife of the accused number
So
1.
what?
She was a partner in 2019. The
No
complaint came to be filed in 2023.
ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
So the wife
ಅವರು
had,
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
accused number 3
Money.
was unrelated to this transaction.
No problems. We'll quash it next time.
Yes, on the next
First
date,
get
I'll put
money.
your information on that, whether that previous was cancelled or not.
Heard the learned counsel, ಇದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
Please, my lords, ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll leave it to my lords.
The heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and the counsel for the respondent. Will grant you time, but record ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Please, my lords.
The issue relates to these two petitions are preferred for alleging fraud and remand of 20 lakhs each in these petitions that was paid by the complainant. In the normal circumstance, the offense under section 406 or 420 would not arise for the purpose of recovery of money. The case has a twist. The twist is with regard to the builder, the petitioner, entering into an agreement of sale with one Malli Krishna Reddy.
Murali Krishna.
Malli ಅಂತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Murali Krishna,
Murali Krishna Reddy.
first purchaser.
Murali Krishna Reddy, the agreement was entered into on 19/10/2019 of a particular property.
Flat.
After about flat other,
Flat, my
a
lords.
particular flat in an apartment complex. The builder, the petitioner, after about 2 years, enters into an agreement of sale with the complainant, not divulging that the property was not free from encumbrance, as it was already a subject matter of agreement of sale on 19/10/2019 with one Murali Krishna Reddy. Therefore, the offense that is alleged does prima facie spring in the case at hand. Though in the first blush, it looks like it was for the purpose of recovery of money, it is not only recovery of money, it is a case of the builder hoodwinking the investor in entering into the second sale of agreement, notwithstanding the subsistence of the first sale agreement of sale. In that light, the learned counsel for the respondent submits that if the money is returned to him, which is not yet returned, it would ಬೇಡವಾದು?
That is.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ.
I want a flat,
In
my
the
lords.
light of pound of flesh ಬೇಕಾ? Yes. The
Lords, now the-
learned counsel, in the light of the builder taking money twice over from the hands of, twice over for 2 apartments, he has cannot retain the said amount. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he would seek instructions and report the same on the next date, or convince the court that it does not amount to 406 or 420 of the IPs. Yes. Is a final order? It does amount.
I'll provide this.
No, sir, gone are those days where you can enter into multiple agreements and crime ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೇ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
One only humble request is insofar as
May I
accused
make a
number 3
request,
is
my lords?
concerned, the accused number 3 is concerned, none of this is
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
applicable.
ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
Interim order to be extended.
Interim order may be vacated, my lords.
ನೋಡಿ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ವೇಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಆಸ್ ಟೈಮ್, ನಾನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್.
Interim order to be extended.
List the matter on 2nd February, 3rd February, interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.